Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can find your saved password on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you will have to do is open the Passwords app on your iPhone, which is by default on your phone. Here you can see the app looks something like this, and simply just tap on it and open it, and your Face ID or your password will be required. And after your Face ID or your password is verified, here you can see this page will open, and in here, in order to get all of your password, you have to tap on the option All. After tapping on the All option, here you can see these are various type of passwords that I have saved in my iPhone. And in here you can scroll down and search the password that you want, or you can even go to the search bar, which is on the top right here, and then start typing for the password that you are looking for. I'm currently looking for my CapCut password, so I'm simply just going to type CapCut, and here you can see this as the option. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, here you can see your username and your password in here. You can see it is currently hidden. In order to see your password, you can simply just tap on it, and then you can see there is also the option of copy password, and your password is now seen. And like this, you can find your saved password on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.